Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 10.4 inch from CCFL to our LSR series LED kit. This LED kit includes the L-shaped reflector, the LED strip, brand new LED strip already mounted L-shaped reflector, one small driver. This driver is already disabled enabled, so basically you just connect to positive 12 volt to 24 volt on red, black is ground, and this end you can connect to either end. So let's say as I take a look screen, this is a 10.4 inch NG screen. The screen part number is NL6448BC33-31. NL6448BC33-31. It's 10.4 inch screen. So basically you just push it down, grab the wire, pull it out. Okay, you see this? Wow, it's really bad. So, and then it's quite simple. You just slice our LSR series in, add a piece of wire if you want, just secure the, add a piece of tape to secure the wires. Okay, and you can connect to either end, you know, positive, negative. I have a kit here. I want to test to see what the difference is. So let's take a quick look here. Let me fire up my signal generator. Okay, just put it in. Okay, connect this VGA. Okay, and we're going to use the same meters that I used to test. Okay. $15.20. $14.67. $15.09. 1,509 nits. So what a big difference. It's quite easy to replace it, especially for our LSR series. Basically you just, slice out this and slice right back, and just you can mount this driver back to the old inverter locations. Okay, so of course even the same screen, sometimes the brightness would be various, depends on your condition of your old screen. Okay, thank you for watching.